Okay, here's a new session. This is a basic cabinet input. So we have a line here, a row, which represents a cabinet. We will delete that and start fresh. And then we can go add. We're adding a row. And it's wide open. We can call it whatever we like. We draw from the pull-down menu of presets. So we'll go up or double. We'll start with one like that. And this one we will call cabinet number 1. And from there, you can make those changes, whatever you like. Decimals, doesn't matter. And this is a double cabinet, so it defaults to D. If you wanted, you can actually change that to L or R, so or T for a top hinge cabinet door. But we'll leave it at D for right now. And actually, we're going to change this to 65-ish, and then we can adjust the number of hinges. Let's call that 4 hinges. The setback at top and bottom, or the offset, is 4 inches each, pretty standard. And you can adjust all the mid hinges, whatever you like, in this cell right here. We'll leave that for now. That's another video. And so we move over now to the reveals. So we've got 1/16 on the left, 1/16 on the right for the door reveals. We've got 1/8 on the top and -3/4 on the bottom, meaning that that's either a finger pull or it's covering up a light panel. Or you can do both. You can add, you could go -1 1/4, which leaves 3/4 for a light panel, and then an extra 1/2 inch as a finger pull. So that's doable. Construction holes are selected with a 9-inch spacing. The box material, you can select whatever you like here. We have box prefin, that's pretty standard, so we'll leave that. We've got walnut here. Let's go for that for the face material, for the front material. And this is the drawer box material. There are no drawers, so we leave that for right now. The door edging, we want to go with something that will deduct from the size of the doors when they go for machining. So if we select that, then right away the doors are reduced by that same amount when it goes to export. Fixed shelf. We're adding a single fixed shelf here, and we can say it's a certain syntax you have to remember here. So we've got one shelf, -24B. What does that mean? That means one shelf 24 inches off the bottom. So between the top face of the bottom and the actual shelf, you have 24 inches. So you can put whatever you like here. We'll do that for right now. And now when we get over to adjustable shelves, we have to remember that there's 2 spaces there. We've created with the fixed shelf, there's the top space and the bottom space. So how we deal with that is we go S1-2, which is the top space. We're adding 2 shelves, comma, S2-1. So we're going to have 1 adjustable shelf in the lower space. And we leave it at that. You can adjust the holes for the line bore. This is standard, 6 and 6. 6 inches from the top, 6 inches from the bottom is where those holes start. And here, 1.45 from the front, 1.45 from the back, which I believe is 37 mil. That's also standard. And being an upper cabinet, we're not using rails. We're going with a full top. So that's it. That cabinet is done. We go generate parts. And there it is. It's 189 parts in 0.7 seconds generated. But just keep in mind that there are not 189 parts in that cabinet. This also includes all the holes. So all these line bore holes and the construction holes are included as parts, and there's a reason for that, but you don't need to pay attention to this. So that is it, and this cabinet is done. Now we can go to reports, and there's our cabinet with the sizes that we entered in, the material, the doors. There's 2 doors, and if you'll notice, well, there's left, right, because it's a double door cabinet. We've got the finish size here, and we've got the cut size. So the cut size is less by the thickness of the edge banding, which is over here. We have 1/2 mil. So these are automatically reduced. And that's that. We can go no drawers again. The parts, there's our part list for that cabinet showing the fixed shelf and the 3 adjustable shelves. All the sizes, the material, so on and so forth. The hardware, we've got 8 hinges. Here's the nests showing a quick graphic of what you'll need to build this cabinet. 2 sheets of 3/4 box pre-fin and 2 sheets of walnut if you want that grain direction. So that's it. That is basic cabinet input in CabSlam version 2.0. Thank you.